Let's sew the soil and vines together. Take out the soil. Let's learn how to tell the front side and back side of the fabric. This side, which is neater and clearly shows the rows, is the front side. The less clear side, where the rows are not easily distinguishable, is the back side. We turn the front side facing ourselves, and then put the yarn tail of the vine on the front side. Insert hook from the back side of the soil, and pull the yarn tail of the vine through the fabric. These 4 shortest vines should be placed right in the middle of the soil. Leave about this long of vine on the front side. Fix the rest 3 vines in the same way on the soil. Leave about this long of the vines on the front side is fine. With 2 vines as a group, tie a knot on the back side. Then cut off the excess ends. Continue to fix the rest 2 vines in the same way. Tie a knot on the back side. Then cut off the excess ends. These 4 shortest vines need to be fixed in the middle of the soil. Please fix the remaining vines on the soil at random intervals according to your own preferences. With 2 vines in a group, tie a knot on the back side, and then cut off the excess ends. For the remaining vines, we don't need to pull the chain inside the fabric. And then take out any vine, no matter how long is it. Fix it on the soil in the same way. Tie a knot on the back. Be careful not to pull the chain into the knot. Finally, cut off the excess ends. Please fix the remaining ones on the soil in the same way by yourself, with 2 ones in a group. Tie a knot on the back side, and then cut off excess ends. Now 18 ones are fixed on the soil. Then take out the flower pot and the yarn needle. Thread the needle with the yarn tail of the soil. We'll sew the soil 1 row lower than the rim. Look carefully of where we insert the needle, and then thread through the soil to make the first stitch. 2 fabrics are connected now. Thread through 1 row lower than the rim, and then sew the soil and the flower pot together stitch by stitch in this way. Keep sewing in this way until a small opening is left. Then stuff the fabric with fiber fill. After stuffing, continue to sew up the hole. Conceal the yarn tail inside the fabric, and finally cut off excess end. The soil and the flower pot are sewn up. Now assemble the flower pot and lanyards. Thread the needle with the yarn tail of the lanyard. Insert the needle through the rim and make some stitches on the back to fix it. Conceal the yarn tail inside the fabric, and finally cut off excess end. One side of the lanyard is down. Bring the other end of the lanyard to the other side. Make sure both sides are symmetrical. Thread the needle with the yarn tail of the lanyard. Then insert the needle from this position. Fix the yarn tail inside the flower pot, and finally cut off excess end. The first lanyard is fixed. Please fix the other one in the same way on the other 2/4 sides. One side is down. The other side should be right between the two sides of the first lanyard. Conceal the yarn tail inside the fabric, and finally cut off excess end. Make some adjustments. Then place the vines out naturally on the pot. This hand-potted plant is completed. Please refer to the same methods to make the other hand-potted plant by yourself.